Well, good morning. Yesterday you saw me start working at removing the floor pans and the kickboards, or the floor pan where it ties into the firewall. Today, I think I might be taking some more of the firewall out. I just got to figure out what I'm doing because it's nasty. It needs to come out. So today's video may be me removing wiring harnesses so that I can get to it a little bit better, removing the pedals. I don't know, but I think that's where it's going, so stick around. Well, the more I thought about this last night after I quit, the more I really contemplated, since I got that super nice new firewall and I got the new ends, what I think I'm gonna do today, instead of continuing down the road of using these the floor pans that I have, I think what I'm gonna do is change gears a little bit and get everything cleared out from behind the dash. What I think I'm gonna end up doing is possibly, for the most part, replacing the firewall with that nice new piece I have over there. And to do that, I need to remove all this stuff, including the steering wheel. So I'm gonna take a run at it, and I think that's what today's video is gonna be about. So just hang out and enjoy, but thank you very much. Definitely gonna remove all this stuff first so that I can I got to thinking about it. That way I can get back here to paint. I can get this all cleaned up, and I can have a lot better access if in fact I'm going to do the firewall. So here we go. All right, so I got most everything off the firewall. I got to go inside the car now to take out the gauge, not the gauges, but like the ignition switch, which powers the whole thing. All the power goes through the ignition switch. And then I got to remove the windshield wiper. And I think the light, not the windshield wiper, I need to take out the light. So that's going to be the next thing. So I'm going to get in there and do that. I think I can unplug the light switch without removing it. So same thing with the ignition. Okay, that's good. That comes out. Now I just got to undo the ignition switch. Figure out how to unplug it, because it's like integral to everything in this thing. Light. I guess I need to figure out how to take that out. All right. So I went and I figured out, well, I didn't figure it out, somebody showed me how to take the ignition switch out. What you do is you put the key in, you turn it to accessories. They used a little pick, but I got a paper clip. Put it in that hole, push it in, and then it should turn and come out. Oh, you dirty whore. It came out. So once it's out, they said try not to move that. So go back in exactly. And then it says reach out behind here and push in, and there's a spring holding it in, and so if you push in, you should be able to turn the bezel. So, but I'm pushing in, turn it clockwise. Hey, and it came out. My lucky day. So that's how it works. I don't know if I can put it all back together so I don't lose it all. That'll be even more spectacular. And turn the key back. And there we go. All right, we're good to go. So now I just gotta get back up. So the lighter's disconnected, the ignition switch is disconnected, and the lights are disconnected. So everything should be disconnected and it should come out. So, all right, while you were away, I sweated some more, but I got this to come loose. So here's what we got left. This goes to the back of the car. So that can stay, because I don't think it's going to impact anything that I'm going to be doing up here. I don't even know if I need to take the steering wheel off or not. I got the steering wheel wiring disconnected. I just got to loosen that. And I think the whole column slides up, and then the actual rod that goes to the steering box is still there. So that means I'm going to have to take off the steering box to get this out. Got to take the accelerator pedal off and all the linkage. So not only was it leaking, look at the corrosion on the electrical block. I mean, and you can see it over there on the wall, or the cowl side, that the water was just running through there. So sort of amazed and flabbergasted. But anyways, so that's where we're at. It looks a lot better, and we'll go from there. All right, well, this one's going to be relatively short. I got the harness out from underneath the dash. I think pretty much in my mind I've decided that I need to replace the firewall completely. I'm going to stop here today. Again, I appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the shares, all that good stuff. I could, what I do ask you is if you could go follow me on Facebook. It's My Torino, same as here. And also, I'm going to harp on this in the next few videos. I've got almost 1.5 million views, and I would like everybody to subscribe. Right now, only 2.5% of everybody that watches the videos is a subscriber. So anyways, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to do anything other than hit that button, and it'd be really, really appreciated. So thanks again, and have a great day.